This is me. This is me, Christian. I got you. I'm gonna talk about people snoring. Like almost everybody in the world knows it. Even my dad do it. My sister do it. My auntie do it. Even my grandma do it. I be telling my mom she needs to buy something for my dad to stop snoring. You know what he does? Every day, every night, I wake up. He will never stop. I'm serious. I can't even go to sleep sometimes. So I want my mom to buy something for him to stop.
Oh, there is something.
Part 1. This is part 1.